Well, quite a few films. Rags? Rags? Whoa, what are you doing? Hey, cut it out. I think he wants to get... Oh, he wants to get over and see Marty. Oh, here we go again. Take it easy on him, Marty. Yeah. They are the best of friends. Mate, I didn't know you were the best of friends. Hey, Marty, that'll serve you right, Marty. That'll serve you right. You asked for that. Good on Rags. One, come on, Rags. Three, and Rags is the winner. Let him go. Come on. Let him go.
And now pronounce him Monster and Kangaroo.
What are you hanging around? Oh, that's better. Well, sorry about that. I didn't... I go through that every week at the Animal Kingdom. Because, yeah, I usually put on the same bit of bread. A lot of the kids worry about it, Daryl, because in some areas they're overpopulated, but in... Come over here. Marty. Marty. I think I'll just leave them together. Marty, go over and sit down with Dixie. You're only a troublemaker. Come on. Well, that's good. I've got to go back to the Animal Kingdom.
All right.
But I'll tell you what.
Do you like a bit of egg with it?
Yeah, no egg. Just a bit of bread will do, Marty.